Alright, in this section, it's actually in the chapter entitled Motifs, Phrases, and what all else is in there. Motifs, phrases, cadences, and so on. That's part of the book that is going with the course. And we are talking in this video about motives, or motifs rather. So motifs, what are they? So motifs are transient, repeating little phrases or little bits of music that make up larger phrases and periods. Motives or motifs often have repeating patterns that can serve as trademarks of different phrases or different situations in an episode of music. And these are easily identifiable. Okay? Motives are melodic figures that are easily recognizable. For instance, motif could be this. End of motive. Motive comes up again, maybe a couple lines later. But it could be in different note values as well. It could be in different what you can call gazes or gauzes or gazes. Different note values can have those same pitches to them, making it disguised a little bit. You can have that recurring theme come in all the time. You can have that recurring theme all throughout a piece of music that comes in different styles and different guises that you'll hear. Motifs can take place. They could take the place of people or characters. For example, in Hector Berlioz's fantastic Symphonie Fantastique, there is a motif that actually comes around at various movements and various places, and it serves as a character or the idea fix of the composer's mind, which is basically a character that the composer had in mind, and the music, the sound of the music and the leitmotif stands for that particular character that shows up at that particular time. So you can have different characters musically. You can have different melodic figures that come in as motifs to make the texture more interesting, or any of that. And the little idea fix that Berlioz had in his symphony is called a leitmotif, which means it's a mini motif, or a one that's not as large, but it is easily recognizable still. Alright? And motives actually occur all the time in episodes of music that you'll find. Alright? So if you guys have any questions on the motifs, I will do another lecture on this. But please be sure to comment if you have questions, and I will see you in the next session.